Welcome to Buttercutter. We have created an innovative and unique product that has the power to transform everyday lives and inspire generations to come.
We are a cutting-edge company that has founded and created the product Buttercutter. It's a unique brand that allows you to easily spread cold butter onto your toast without ripping it by applying heat throughout the blade. There are 3 settings on the knife, with accessible buttons located on the underside of the ergonomically shaped handle, preventing your hand from slipping as you spread the butter and change the heat settings.
The 3 settings are off when no heat is applied, on at the tip of the blade, which is best for easy spreading, and on throughout the blade, which is best for baking fans and allows you to easily cut through a whole block of butter, even if it's frozen.